Locksmith Malden MA, anytime, any day. And one of our expertly trained professionals will be at your door within 15 to 20 minutes to assist you. We can be wherever you are in a very short time because we are on call by radio service every day at every hour. Our professionally trained operators will contact the nearest mobile workshops so we can get to you as quickly as possible. We can assist you with any problem at your car, home, or place of business. No problem is too big or too small for us. Please call us when in need of an expertly trained professional locksmith. Call Locksmith Malden MA 617-275-5434 now.